This video, we're going to subtract mixed numbers. They're like section 3.4, numbers 21, 23, 25, 29, 33, 37, and 47. Got a lot of examples of these. So in the first two, I'm supposed to find the exact answer and estimate. I didn't do that last time with my sums, and I should have, but let's go ahead and let's look at the estimation part first so I don't forget to do it. But this is approximately 8 minus 5 is about 3. So I would have rounded the first one up to 8 and the second one down to 5, and 8 minus 5 would be about 3. So let's see how this comes out. 5 6 minus 1 6 is 4 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. This is 2 and 2/3. And that's pretty close to 3. So our estimate makes sense. Second problem here is 13 and 13/14 minus 7 and 1/7 is about 14 minus 7, which is about 7. We're going to multiply here by 2 over 2 to make this 13 and 13/14 minus 7 and 2/14 is 13 minus 2 is 11 over 14. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 and 11/14 is pretty close to 7. So that was a good estimate as well. So that takes care of the ones that were like 21 and 23. Let's move on to the one that's like 25. 6 1/3 minus 5 and 4/9. We're going to multiply by 3 over 3. That's going to become 6 3/9 minus 5 and 4/9. But wait, I can't subtract 4 from 3, so I need to borrow 1 in the form of 9 over 9. So that's going to become 5 and 12/9 minus 5 and 4/9, and that's 8/9. And that's our final answer. All right, now let's look at the one that's like 29 from the textbook. 15 and 4/5 minus 2 and 14/15. Let's make a common denominator of 15. This is 15 and 12/15 minus 2 and 14/15. We're going to have to borrow because 14 is bigger than 12. So we're going to borrow 15/15 and get 14 and 27/15 minus 2 and 14/15 is 12 and 13/15. Now we want 8 with no fractional part minus 7 and 4/5. I can make 8 have any denominator that I want to when I borrow. When I borrow 1, I can borrow it as 5 over 5. So this is 7 and 5/5. minus 7 4/5. 5 minus 4 is 1/5. That's my answer. Now I'm going to have 8 with no fractional part, minus 2 1/6. So again, I'm going to borrow, and I'm going to borrow it as 6/6. So this is 7 6/6. And this is, so 6 minus 1 is 5, 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. We have one more problem here that is written horizontally this time. 51 1/20 minus 39 13/30. So we're probably going to want to stack this vertically like we did the other ones. Just makes it easier with mixed numbers to do that. I'm going to multiply here by 3/3. And here by 2/2 gives us a denominator of 60 that's common. So that's going to be 51 3/60. This is going to be negative. It's going to be minus 39 26/60. 26 is definitely bigger than 3. So we're going to borrow 1. We're going to have to add 60/60 to that. It's going to give us 50 63/60 minus 39 26/60. 13 minus 6 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have 37/60 there. I'm going to have to borrow here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. We end up with an answer of 11 37/60. All right. That's it for subtraction of mixed numbers. We'll come back next time and solve some problems by adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Those will all be order of operations problems that we'll solve. All right. See you for the next video.